Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another News and Nonsense. We are recording this Friday evening with two of my remaining returning champions from the Linux B team. We have Dan Kelly, Steve's very own, very good friends of mine, longtime supporters of the channel. Thank you, my friends. It's good to be here. I wish we get more people on. It would be a lot more fun. Maybe as we slowly get back to normal, maybe it'll happen. But tonight, we're just going to have some fun. How does that sound? All right.
Awesome.
Story number one. All right. A psychic hit by a car says he never saw it coming.
He's not a very good psychic, is he?
You would think maybe by posting this, he would his customers may want a refund.
Yes.
I'm just saying. Okay. Well, I hope the guy is okay. Well, here's our headline you just don't see every day. Methamphetamine in waterways may be turning trout into addicts. You know, that's true. Just the other day, I was arguing with this trout. He kept saying that Archlytics was the best. I said, what are you high, man? And I know why he's high. You know. Anyway, yeah, this is July 6th, a few days ago. Brown trout can become addicted to the illegal drug when it accumulate. Hey, I guess, if you're swimming in that contaminated water, I guess you would get hit with that, right? So I guess it's not that far of a fetch. I don't know, but this poor trout.
And we were worried about mercury.
Yeah.
Now it's methamphetamine. Okay, so be careful where you fish, unless that's where you want to go fish. Okay.
Right.
All right, let's see here.
No meaning to Rock River.
See, there's a rock song with that somewhere, Anyway, this is from Warsaw, Poland. This is a headline you just don't see every day out of Poland. Supermarket chain says Polish workers found cocaine in banana boxes. No wonder sales went
Wow.
up. Yeah.
Yeah.
They had a lot of appeal.
Supermarket chain Carrefour.
Coke bananas.
Coke bananas. Says that a Coke banana you pop a few, you'll be okay, man. Said on Friday it had notified local police after employees at one of its Warsaw stores had found suspicious parcels. How do they know where to look? And what's exactly suspicious about a bunch of, unless the cocaine is seeping out of the banana? I'm just saying.
The bananas were too stiff.
Yeah, well, the packages were worth 30 million zlotys, whatever that is. That amounts to 8.14 million. That seems kind of low, though. I don't know. But anyway, that's the drugs were discovered in several branches, and a Warsaw police spokesman was not available to comment. Yeah, I bet. Okay, let's see what else do we have. This is from I think Gizmodo is my new favorite tech website. Here's the headline from Gizmodo. Audacity's privacy policy doesn't make it spyware because everything is spyware now. Now, where have we heard that before?
Yeah. That is
It's true. Everything is spyware. From Gizmodo, the company later backtracked that for a user outcry. I totally get it. It's, they shouldn't be collecting, but the whole internet collects, whether you want to or not.
Well, the last article I read from Arsena Technica was the current 3.0.2 version they have out does not have the telemetry. It's the next version that comes out that will have it built in.
Yep.
Anyway, they are collecting so-called anonymous data. Here's another headline you just don't see. Men's skirts are on the rise. Yeah, I bet they are.
Yeah.
This is a family house. I can't go there. But I guess this is in style now. The rise of the sober, S-O-B-E-R they're calling it. Tasteful menswear skirt. Well, I guess that could come in handy if you got to go to the bathroom. But
Is it a cousin to maybe the kilt that they use in Scotland?
Let me click the link and let's see what this is from GQ.com.
My nephew got married in a kilt.
Okay. The new menswear skirt is surprisingly low key. No, it's not. People are going to notice. Hello, Anyway, there's an article on GQ.
Well, it doesn't look so bad on a guy if he's got the bagpipes to go with it.
right. Yeah.
It depends on what.
Yeah. He's wearing a skirt as he's eating his cocaine bananas. So yeah. Finally, here's a story. Here's another headline you just don't see every day. A library book returned to the British Cathedral was 300 years overdue. How does that person stay in shape? That person returned 300 years later? Officials at the British Cathedral said in a book that arrived in the mail recently is believed to have been checked out from the facility library more than 300 years ago. The Reverend Canon Keith Farrow, who has served as a Vice Dean and Canon Missioner at the Sheffield Cathedral since 2014, said the book, a 1704 printing of the faith and the practice of the Church of the England Man. I hope I said that in proper English. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Here's a headline, and I'm going to have to delete this. Sorry, guys. You could, if you catch us on the private chats. But this is going to be deleted, but I'm going to tell my friends here.
Oh, God.
You have to look it up.
Where'd they get this stuff?
This is from a section of the Arakawachi branch of the Joyful 2 Hobby Specialty Store located in Abaraki Prefecture. Man, that's a handful. Where's that cocaine banana? But no.
Yeah.
So now here's the thing. It was a mistake, but they posted it anyway. So is it truly a mistake if you post that kind of a sign? Knowing, just saying. By the way, how much are trips to Japan from Pittsburgh? It seems like all the fun is over there. Funny thing at work, during the week.
That I can talk about. No.
Not that you can talk
Me
about.
neither.
Nothing to top this. Okay, well, thank you, Dan and Steve.
I'm
for joining me.
retired. It's boring.
Okay, well, that's why you come here, to make it unboring.
Right.
That's my job, to make lives unboring.
Exactly.
Well, on that note, I think we're done for this. So yeah, next time join us on the private chat, or send a request for a show. And you got to be here. I want to bring these back. I'm so lonely. Okay, enough of that.
Don't get me going.
What a bunch of wussies, let me tell you. Like I said, the Linux B team.